Okay, we're gonna simplify rational expressions that are a little harder and may have a few little twists. Usually it has to do with a negative sign that throws things off. So, this is our first problem. We have negative x squared plus 2x plus 3y squared over 5x minus 15y. Now, anytime we have a negative with the x squared, you just need to pull out a negative sign. And what that does is that changes all of these signs. So this becomes positive, the second term will become negative, and the third term is negative. And then you factor this. So, and here's my x over here. You've got negative 3 in the top, negative 2 in the bottom of the x. And you want factors of 3 which subtract to be 2, so that's 3 and 1. And the 3 is negative because your middle term is negative, because negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. Now, when you come over and you factor, you have x minus 3y. The first term is x, and because you didn't need to multiply by anything. And remember, this has a y square, so you just tack a y with this. So x minus 3y and x plus y. This 1 means 1y. So x plus y. In the denominator, you have a GCF of 5, so you've got x minus 3y left over. The x minus 3y cancels, and you're left with negative x plus y over 5. Realize they may also carry that negative sign throughout, and they might write it this way. It's all the same thing, but just in case you didn't realize that. All right, second problem. Same issue. Factor out the negative sign, change all of these signs. You want factors of 10, which subtract to be 3. So factors of negative 10, which subtract to be positive 3, that's going to give you 5 and 2. You want your 2 to be negative. Because you want positive 3 when you add. So that's x plus 5 over x minus 2. The denominator is the difference of 2 squares, so that's 5 plus x and 5 minus x. Now, the x plus 5 and the 5 plus x cancels, and then you have negative x minus 2 over 5 minus x left. Now, what you will probably see them do is pull a negative sign out of this and change this to x minus 5. And negative over negative is positive, which would be x minus 2 and x minus 5. Now, you could have taken care of that right here in this step. You could have changed this one here to be x squared minus 25, and then factored these as x minus 5, x plus 5, and then it would have been taken care of. The negative over the negative would have been apparent. But either method is going to work. Okay. This one here is already factored. The numerator is. The denominator's got a trinomial in it that you need to factor. And you're looking for factors of negative 12 that subtract to be 1. And that's going to be 4 and 3. And since the 1 is positive, you need the 3 to be negative. All right, so the numerator, leave all that alone, and then leave this here and factor it to y plus 4 and y minus 3. And then these are going to cancel, and because this is exactly opposite, remember you have a negative sign there. And then 12 over 4 becomes 3. X to the 5th and x to the 4th. You have 1 left over. When you subtract those exponents, you have x left. Y cubed over y is y squared. So you have negative 3xy squared over y plus 4 as your final answer. Thank you.